Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete rack mount battery system we built in our factory today. 7 pieces rack mount battery in one cabinet, connecting in Deye 20kW hybrid inverter. Then I'm going to show you how we build this system step by step. Now, let's go back and look at how we build this system. For parallel wiring, we do not connect the batteries in daisy chain. We use some busbars. Each battery connects directly to the positive busbar and to the negative busbar. This keeps the electrical path very similar for every battery, so the current can be shared more evenly. Each battery can deliver 100 amps continuously. With 7 pieces of battery in parallel, the total current becomes very high. That's why we use a properly red busbar instead of for small wires or long these daisy chains. From busbar to inverter, we are using double 70 square millimeter DC power cable. This cable is very suitable for high current, especially during heavy load or inverter surge conditions. Before we go to the inverter, we also need to check the battery side communication setting. In this system, the battery BNS protocol is set to pylon. This is important because the battery and the inverter must use mastering communication protocols. We also make sure one battery is set as the master and other batteries follow it as slaves. If the battery protocol is wrong, even with the correct CAN wiring, the inverter may show wrong SOC or refuse the charging and discharge. This is the 20kW hybrid inverter using RS485 communication with the battery BNS. Since the battery is using pylon protocol, we select RS485 communication here and set to the battery call to 1, 2. After this, the inverter can correctly read battery's SOC, voltage, and charging and discharging current limited. And this stage, we also check 3 things. First, SOC is stable. Second, current direction is correct. Third, there is no communication around. If these 3 points are correct, we know the RS485 communication is working properly. If you are interested in rack mount battery system or you have a similar project, you can feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching it.